What is going on, guys? So we did another dive. I think I'm going to do both the dives in this video because both of them weren't super duper long. So we did a night dive the other night at Hillary's. We saw a cuttlefish and a couple of blowfish, and that was sick. It was my first night dive, so it was super duper exciting anyway. And I'm just getting a sense of my dive buddy being like a meter away from me and not being able to see him, barely being able to see his torch, and the fact that it was the first that I brought a torch that day, so I got to try it out for that. That was sick. But we went out to Ammo Jetty today to have a look, and the visibility was quite rubbish, and it didn't suit what we wanted to be doing, so we kind of called that dive a little bit short. We might have pushed through it, but there was 3 things that happened straight away. 2 people came back in. We helped a dude stand up in the waves. He was trying to get out of the water, and another lady had a little bit of a hard time and panicked a little bit, and she was trying to get out of the water, and we had to help her come out of the water as well. And then as we were swimming, I saw something on the ground, and it's one of Jared's torches. Now, the torch and the rig is about $700 worth of stuff lying on the ocean floor. So that would have, it was just slightly becoming uncomfortable how much was going wrong. So we figured to call it there, and there's plenty of other days that we can go diving. We just wanted to squeeze one in before he went back to work. So yeah. So I cleared in my gear, and all of that, and I'll try and find some footage and put it together, and if not, then I guess that's the end of the video.
saw you, but now I won't come back around if you're not trying.
Well, thanks for watching. I'm going to wrap the video up here. Take it easy, stay awesome, and remember, you can't fail if you try. See you later.